Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another normal trading day. So, let me take y'all through what happened. So, yesterday, there was 9:30 news for Aud. It was employment change. They actually got cooked, as you can see. So, because I normally trade around 9:30, I wasn't really looking for a trade until 10 something, because I had to take into account news. So, here's the news. I didn't look at the market beforehand. And then I started looking at the market over here. Now, looking at this down move right here, followed by up sweep to take out these little order blocks, and big ass down move right here, I can suspect that it's gonna keep going down. And then I was watching YouTube during this time. I didn't really think I would have taken this trade either, because as you can see, if you look at this retracement, here's the one fake out. It didn't really make too much of a next high, and this retracement was kind of small, so I don't think I would have entered. And then it went down. And then I was looking for a trade here. So the thing about these type of markets is that it's always a move down, and either a retracement, a reversal. Yeah, those are the only two options. And under the retracement, you can have a normal retracement, or you can have like a consolidation, which doesn't really retrace but consolidates, and it just keeps continuing. So if we look at this, we got the retracement. So is this the consolidation part? Now the thing about this is that when I'm talking about consolidation, I'm talking about ranging consolidation. So this, as you can see, it does look like a consolidation, but when I'm talking about range, I mean up, down, up, down, up, down. And as you can see, there's too much green and white candles in a row to be considered that. I'm looking for a super tight consolidation as well. And so that means that there should be a reversal. So I'm looking for oversellage. Here might be an oversell. Here might be an oversell. But there's just not enough bullish intent. Here, this could have been it. But then I wanted to wait for a close above this high. And then it didn't. And then here, I see these bearish, super bearish, it broke out. And then I see 3 white soldiers. But the thing about these white soldiers is I didn't enter on them because they didn't break through this close. So that's why I waited for the next candle. And I see it did. And then I entered. The moment this thing closed, they actually retraced pretty deeply, so I got a better entry. Stop loss below the low. Had to tank a big ass retracement the instant I entered, but that's fine. I just made a solid 1 or 2. It's a nice market. And then for NAS, okay. So I woke up at 9:30. And I fell back asleep and I woke up at 11. So I actually didn't make a trade today. So I was looking for a trade in the afternoon, but it was kind of hard because it's the afternoon. And it's kind of like, you can't you can't really FOMO. You have to resist the FOMO intent. So yeah, I just didn't FOMO, which means I just didn't make any trades. So I guess that's that. It's just unfortunate, bro. I time skipped a little too much. I wanted to wake up at 9:50, but I guess I couldn't wake up at 9:50. And that's still in the next streaming video.